Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy ponytail. This is a perfect hairstyle for when your hair is dirty, you're feeling too lazy to wash it, but you still want to get a good hair day out of it. So I'm just going to go over what you'll need to wear this ponytail, and then we'll get started with the tutorial.
So what you're going to need for this look is a regular hairbrush, a teasing brush, and if you don't have a teasing brush like that one, then you can just use a fine tooth comb. You're also going to need a hair tie, 2 bobby pins, and a light hairspray. I used Amika's Touchable hairspray today, and I really like this spray because it holds your hair well, but it doesn't make it feel really crisp to your head. And you're also going to need either a texturizing spray or a dry shampoo. Today I'm working with hair that's a few days old, which might look a little crazy right now, but that's actually perfect for today's style because that means I have some natural oils built up, so I already have some natural texture in my hair. And I'm also going to use Batiste dry shampoo. It's their volumizing dry shampoo, and that's going to add even more texture to my hair. And I'm just taking my brush right now, I'm smoothing my hair up into a high ponytail, and I'm going to take my hair tie and wrap it around a few times to make sure that the ponytail is really secure. So after that ponytail is totally secure, if you want to slightly adjust the position of it, you can take your fingers and pinch up towards the top of your ponytail. That's just going to move the ponytail up a little bit higher on your head. Now I'm going to start to tease. So I'm going to lift up a few sections towards the top of the ponytail. I'm going to lift that hair up towards the ceiling, and I'm going to take my teasing brush or comb, and I'm going to push that hair down towards my roots. So I'm taking 3 sections on the top of my ponytail. Then I'm going to take the brush or comb and just smooth over that top layer of hair, which is going to get rid of that knotty appearance that the teasing causes. I'm also going to go around to a few of my ends and just add a little bit more tease just so I have a little bit more texture in the ponytail. So now I'm just smoothing over any more of that tease that needs to be smoothed out to get rid of that knotty appearance, and I'm going to take my Batiste volumizing dry shampoo to add some more volume to the ponytail. I'm just going to spray in a little bit towards my ends, and now I'm going to take a small section of hair from the bottom of my ponytail. I'm going to wrap it around that hair tie 2 times, and I'm going to take one of my bobby pins. I know that this isn't the best view right now, but I'm going to, with the remainder of that little tail, I'm going to cross that bobby pin over that section of hair. And I'm going to take my second bobby pin and I'm going to make an X over that first bobby pin that I placed. And that's just going to make sure that everything is really secure. And we are almost done. The last thing you're gonna do is just make sure that everything is totally perfect the way you want it to be. If you wanted to add any more tease, then you would do it at this time before you spray. You're gonna take your light hairspray and just mist over it a little bit just to give it some flexible hold.